Welcome to 4010 Dodds Road here in beautiful Armstrong, BC. We're on a gorgeous little 1.29 acre flat piece of land, corner lot, conveniently located to Armstrong. We've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house on a full basement. We've got an in-ground pool, tons of room for whatever you might like to do, hobby farm, build a big shop. Come on in, let's go check out this cool little house. Oh hey, welcome inside. I'm just thinking about all the great potential this home has. Upstairs, we've got 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, kitchen, dining, living room. This great living room we're in right now, we've got a gas fireplace, rock-faced chimney going all the way up into the ceiling. Lots of natural light coming in. Come on and check out the kitchen and dining area. They've already done some updates in here, so this is really totally functional as it is. You've got a little stovetop stove here, built-in oven, newer flooring throughout, but I think this could be improved upon. I'd really like to see a work island in here. We could actually take this sink, we could move it right here in front of this beautiful window, looking out into your yard, letting all that natural light in. And then we've got the patio sliding doors, take you right out to your back deck and your dining area right off the kitchen. Really great living room in here. We've got a large window, south facing, lots of natural light coming through. Formal entrance from the front of the house, not used on a regular basis. We do have an entrance coming in through the breezeway. Natural rock-faced chimney here with a natural gas fireplace insert. Lots and lots of space in here for all your furniture and a really nice flow. Takes you into your dining room and your kitchen area, plus your hallway to your bathroom and your 2 bedrooms. Welcome to the upstairs bathroom. I feel like I'm back in my grandmother's house. Really great bathroom. We've got lots and lots of space in here. I think this could be utilized and turned into 2 full bathrooms. There's a bedroom right on the other side of the wall, so you could actually open that up, make a nice ensuite. Take this space over here, make yourself another full bathroom. But as it is, fully functional. We've got dual vanity in here. We've got a nice tub shower combo and your lav tucked nicely away. We're on the main level still. We're at the west end of the house. We've got 2 bedrooms on this level. We've got this beautiful window here. It's south facing, bringing in all that natural light. This is actually the smaller of the 2 rooms, but I think if you actually move this wall a little bit, you can make the other room a little bit smaller, make this your master bedroom. And then we've got the closet here. So on the wall on the inside of the closet takes you into the bathroom. So if you open that up, that's where you could utilize your entrance into your ensuite. And bedroom number 2. This is currently the master bedroom. We've got 2 nice windows letting all that natural light in again. We're actually northwest facing. Lots of closet space in here. This is a really great room. Welcome to the basement. As we've been talking about, this home's got great bones, but there is tons and tons of potential. So a little TLC, we've got a really great big space down here that can be utilized for a games room, entertainment space. The kids that were raised in this house actually used it for such. We've got a natural gas furnace, natural gas hot water tank. One of the concerns for this area is the water table. So in the spring, when we get the spring runoff, the cellars, they actually have a main sump pump on the exterior of the home, but then we also have a little backup down here in the basement for any of that extra runoff for the springtime. Loads and loads of space. We've got a brick-faced fireplace down here, natural wood burning. It hasn't been used in years, so it's probably gonna need a little bit of work. Large storage area underneath the stairs. Your electrical service is in there. It's actually been upgraded as well, the electrical service. And then at the bottom of the stairs, we've got 2 rooms down here. So they're not legal bedrooms, but they do have windows in them, so they could be turned into bedrooms if you did a little extra work to make the windows a proper size. The views from this property are just stunning. We've got rolling hills of farmland. We've got mountains in the background. It's a beautiful blue sky day here in the wintertime. Birds are singing outside. So this house is such a cool little house, but I think there's so much potential. We've got a breezeway that takes you into the main portion of the house. It's got a laundry room in there, lots of storage, sort of a coat room area, and then your entrance into your kitchen dining room area. And then it's got a single car garage. What I could foresee with this property is actually taking the breezeway and the single car garage off, building from the ground up, making another big space for the main level of the home, and then maybe going up that second level for a master bedroom and a beautiful ensuite, taking advantage of all these beautiful views up here. Come and check out the deck and the pool. It's actually got a wheelchair access, so really easy to get up here on the deck. So off the dining room, we've got a nice little deck area, and this actually takes you right out to the swimming pool area. Come and check it out over here. We're on the west side of the house, but south facing as well, so you get all that lovely sunshine all day long. Really great pool, huge deep end. It does need a new liner, so there's a bit of work to do to this pool, but everything's fully functioning. Really, really great space for family fun all summer long. This property just has so many possibilities. We've got raised garden beds over here, a little raspberry bush, and then there's this large flat space. I think if you fully fence this, you could put some horses in here, you could have several animals, you could build a big shop, just so much potential out here. The other thing on here too is that you're actually not on a well system. There's actually a water district here. So the water just comes right in off of the roadway, feeds all the properties along Schubert Road.